Bom dia, bom dia. Oi, amada. Bom dia. Hello, I'm Christine from Chris by Bike. And as you know, I always share with you everything that I think is interesting, or little tips, or little, I don't know, hacks. And for today's video, it's a simple thing, but I like it. I thought it was so clever, so well made. I just ordered because I want to change a little bit, and I'm amazed. I like it. It's nothing very, very special, but the way it's made, the care that it took for little things, let me show you. Okay, let me tell you first. So, we all have to drink water, or, you know, electrolytes, anything that hydrates us. So, it's so good to always have a bottle of water with us, or any liquid, or when it's hot, like tea or something to warm you up. And Brompton doesn't come with a bottle holder. So in the beginning, I bought a monkey thing that, you know, you put it, it's nice, but it's hard to take it out, and it's hard to put it back in. And I decided to put a cup on the monkey fix, and then put my bottle on top. It was cool, but every big bump, the water bottle went out. Then I went for a frame bag. It's marvelous. So I really like the frame bag. I use on the stern and with the zipper, so the water bottle stays there and doesn't fall out when you fold your Brompton. And now I designed for a pouch, because there's some places here, see, matches here and here, then I can carry other things. But I got surprised by the quality. This is from Rhinowalk, and they're very meticulous about little parts. Water pouch, stern water pouch. You can fix it in any bike you want. In a road bike, in a mountain bike, on front. They have a lot of Velcro straps, so you can put here, you can put here, so you can put wherever you want. And that's cool because there's a lot of flexibility. What I like about it is there's a hole here in the bottom that the water can, you know, run out. And because sometimes when you put like if you get a regular water bottle and put it in the freezer, it melts. So it's nice to have a little hole here so the water goes out. See, now I'm using thermal water bottles because it's cool. The water is cool the whole day long, and it's so cool and so nice. And inside here is thermal, so you have a thermal water bottle, a thermal bag. It lasts forever. It's so cool, and it's easy to put it back. See, no need of two hands. You can take with one hand in and out. I know not everybody takes the water bottle when they're riding a bike, but I'm so used to it because I come from a road bike tradition that you have to drink, you have to eat, you have to do everything when riding your bike. So that's very easy to put in and take it out. And when you fold your Brompton, that's one catch. You must just tighten it just a bit so it won't fall down the water bottle. I know, not much, but let me show you. Water bottle sits very tidy here. Oh, let me hold this here. See, there's a very long straps, Velcro straps that you can put in any bike you want, and you can move it around. But one thing that I love it was this here. Look how carefully they put a protection for your handlebar and put a special protection so it won't damage your handlebar with this little thing here. I thought it was so cool. I like brands that take care of us because we take so much care of our bicycle. So you just put it here and tighten it and put it in. Okay. See? It does not fall out. It's cool. I like that part. I never drop my handlebar like this, but you know, just to show you. Yeah, I'm careful. I'm a girl. I like to do things in a very careful way. Okay, another thing that I like is that I can carry my selfie-stick right here, you know, so leaving more space for me on my pockets. And I can even use it as a holder for my selfie stick. I'll need just another Velcro here to make more stable. Not hard to do it. Just put it back. Riding in the street, it's very steady, and I really like it. It's a must. It surprised me, and I love a good surprise. If you don't want to use this pouch bag as a water bottle, you can close it, put whatever you want here. You can carry your cell phone here. It's so cool. And there's another side here that you can carry things in. And they be protected from the sun outside. The only thing, there's a hole in there. Can you see it? Yes. Yay! Yes, a little hole. This little hole is for the water. Sometimes you get a very frozen bottle of water and the water, you know, melts it so you won't get stuck on the beneath. Do you like it? Well, it's a little tip. It's just that I love to share with you everything that I learned, you know, all the little tips that I learned. So I hope you did like it. I did. It was a marvelous surprise. A great way to carry my water bottles on my Brompton, because the Brompton does not come with a water bottle holder. So I really like it. I love this little smash here because it can carry other things, you know, like you can put my microphone here, you know. Then I'll have more space in my pockets. Yeah, my pockets get pretty full of things, you know, because I need a tripod, I need the selfie stick, I need microphone, camera, ID, cell phone, a little mount that fixes the cell phone. This is the new Insta 360 Go 3. and now I'm gonna make a video about it. It's cool. I like it. It's so very good. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. And if you want to be part of it, if you want to receive the other videos, please be part of it. Subscribe and click the little bell. Yes, the little bell tells you when the video is out. Last year I did a video every Saturday, but I don't have this time this year, so you better click the bell. This way YouTube will tell you a lot of birds here. YouTube will tell you when the video is out. And Rhinowalk, really like it. Congratulations. Very nice product. It's well made. You can fix in any bike you want, front, back, anywhere. I like it. Congrats. Hope you did like it. Bye bye.